What's going on, everybody? Dan Rubin, HRV Homes. Oh wait, hold on, actually, I'm expecting a package. I need to text my mother-in-law. Check my Google Nest Cam here. See, this is what I'm talking about. Why does it take so long to load? This is ridiculous. There's so much tech out there and it's just taking forever. Anyway, the smart home landscape is changing so rapidly these days, it's hard to keep up. There's so many companies out there. Google, Amazon, Ring, Tesla, Creston, Apple, Facebook, Samsung, Ecobee. This just goes on and on and on and on and on. And every company has its own app, and every company has its own technology and its own hardware, and nothing communicates with each other. And it's just like you have 700 apps on your phone to control all of your smart home tech, and it can become overwhelming. And figuring out what to put in your homes and what to use in your homes can also become completely overwhelming. If you're building a home or you're renovating a home, what should you be putting in, or what should you be thinking about? It's just something that we think about all of the time when we're renovating or updating or building new houses, and we want to provide a little bit of clarity on what's out there these days, what the price points are, what the hot products are. So, I want to talk to someone that has a way more experience than I do. So I think we're gonna head on over to SDI Boston, talk to those guys, check out their showroom, hopefully play with some cool toys, and see what they have to say about the latest home tech. All right, so I'm over here at SDI Boston. We're about to check out the showroom, introduce you guys to the owners. What's going on?
Hi,
so nice to see you. Dan.
Nice to meet Angel.
Angel. Alexa. Thank you for having us. So we just want to kind of explore what you guys do, maybe tell us a little bit about the company and what you specialize in, and then show us some cool toys.
Yeah, sure.
Alexa and Angel were the owners of Systems Design. It's a husband and wife team. There's about 12 of us in total. And we just opened a very beautiful showroom in Needham for the trade to come in and design their projects and for homeowners to get inspired. We've been in business for about 12 years now. And we're just looking forward to showing the clients of all the new home technology that we have to offer so they can implement them in their projects.
And are you selling just the product? Are you doing the install, both, everything, all the above?
We do both, yeah. We do from the design phase, sales, installation, and then the service after.
Nice.
Yep.
Cool.
One of the cool things that just came out probably about a year and a half, and we sell a ton in our area, is in-wall speakers that are exactly the same thing as a floor standing speaker, but is an in-wall speaker, and it comes with a string kit and a wench wood kit. So it's something decorative. That way you just don't have a simple white grill.
That wouldn't go over well with my kid.
I know.
Tip it over in 2 seconds.
So our biggest focus as a company, me and Alexa, when we first started the company, we thought of what do we concentrate on? You know what I mean? You can go to a big box store, get speakers, TVs. We wanted to do beautiful things with audio, video. We wanted to do beautiful things with shade. So that's the inspiration of SDI Boston. Our inspiration is to do beautiful things for our clients, things that are functional, and just being able to go the extra mile.
Nice.
Over here we have our display of keypads. This is probably the most important part of our business, lighting and shade control. You have your traditional plastic white from Lutron, and then we can go as fancy as glass, metal, plastic with a flush finish, which designers love, and then more glass, and then metals. So we have something unique. Pretty much the only people in Massachusetts to have this is a company called Basalt. They are from Belgium. They make decorative small keypads that work in conjunction with Lutron.
Okay.
So they specialize in the European look of having a small square keypad. These can be engraved in different colors, materials. That's what they specialize in. Something unique from them, they do a leather keypad, which is very popular in Europe. Cool. Yeah. And they also do a glass keypad. With these keypads, you can press on, the whole room turns on. If you hold down and press, you can make the lights dim. If you're walking away from a room, you can just press all off and it will turn off the whole room.
Nice.
Something new that they just came out for 2021 is their keypad called Fibonacci. And what that is a keypad that is meant to replace an existing Lutron keypad in the United States. So that's why the shape is more on the rectangular side.
So this is more of like a retrofit, or if you're have an existing home, you're not building something from scratch.
Exactly.
You use something.
Exactly. Yep.
Yeah.
And then that one has an LED. You'll be able to control shades, lights, music, all that stuff. Yep.
Nice.
It's meant to work on its own, or you can make it part of Savant or make it part of another home automation system. So we partnered up with a company called Leon. They are out of Iron Harbor, Michigan, and they do cool things like this. This is a standard piece of art that can go, that pretty much you can pick anybody. You can pick your family. They have a list of 10,000 models of art that you can pick from, and they will make the enclosure and they will make the mechanism to make the art go up and down.
That's
if you don't have the height, they can go sideways.
What?
So on this one, we picked the height.
Okay.
This is a 49-inch TV, just so you can use it as a reference, but you can go as big as an 85-inch TV. Yep.
That's a big piece of art.
Yeah, I know.
Me as a builder, what are like the top 3 things that, or a homeowner, or the top 3 things that you would absolutely put in your home if you're building a home from scratch, or you're renovating, or a developer is flipping or building something? Yeah,
so I think, the biggest thing, our industry has turned to taken a weird turn the past 10 years. The most before 10 years ago, it used to be like, how big of a TV can I get? Yeah. Right? Like, how big of a TV can I get in surround sound and all this stuff? That has all changed. I think the number one thing for business and that everybody's doing that is very important is lighting control. You know what I mean? Just the ability of controlling all the lights throughout the house with a simple button or from your phone.
Yep.
That is extremely important. So I would say lighting control is definitely a must in any home being built right now.
Okay.
Whole house audio, just having the ability to have audio in the kitchen, in the dining room where you're gathering, your family room, little things like that. But if the customer or the builder is not ready to do none of these things at the time when they're building the home, definitely pre-wire. Running wires is definitely the most important thing. Okay. Because then, 2 years from now or a year from now, you can say, hey, I'm ready to put speakers up. I'm ready to put those Wi-Fi antennas. Yeah. So,
what's his name? Joe?
So his name is Josh. It's not fair to compare Josh to Alexa. This is so high tech. Okay. So if Josh's place here, right, and we call this the family room, when I give Josh a command of, hey, Josh, open the shades, it knows.
He knows based on your voice. Yeah. He's not watching you.
No, he's not watching you. His voice only. Something cool that I wanted to show you. We do a lot of these boxes, trims around the TVs. This is called a media edge. Designers love this. You know how you walk into a house and you see the guts of the TV?
Yeah.
So this prevents that.
Okay.
Right?
Interesting.
We also, the company that makes it, called Leon Speakers, they make a soundbar cover. So there's a soundbar behind here. It just gives a nice, elegant look to things.
It is a cooler
look. You can get these in metal, any color wood. You can get them custom painted. We have gone as far as getting natural wood, and then a local artist will paint them. This is probably in the top 10 things that we sell.
Really?
Like, just customers absolutely love it.
Huh.
Let me show you.
It's a cool built-in look.
It is. Let me show you here.
Because I agree, like my TV at home, I have it mounted on the wall.
Right.
And I have like all these different cables behind it.
Sure.
And you can see everything
Yeah,
when
yeah.
you like see it.
Walnut finish in that room.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the walnut.
Yeah.
That's
this
cool.
one, you know the famous frame art TV, the Samsung frame
Yeah,
art, the one that gives you, this is what this is. This will work on any TV 55 up to 85, and they will make you a custom soundbar that will match the width of the TV. That way it looks uniform. The special of the room.
Wait, what is this thing?
That is a old school tube amplifier from a company called Macintosh.
Sorry, I'm playing with all your toys.
Go ahead.
No, no. So
It's a Savant remote, and you could, from the remote, you can also control the lighting, the shades.
Oh,
the
nice.
music,
yeah.
your TV.
So this is the same company that does the app that you were saying that
Correct,
integrates
exactly.
everything.
Yep,
So
exactly.
they do the same thing with like your TV.
Yep, exactly.
So it's like a Harmony remote on steroids.
Yeah.
Way better.
Wait,
I know, way better. Yeah. Cool thing about this room, we wanted the best in-wall, in-ceiling sounding room known to men. So this is what we did. We partner up with a company called Bowers and Wilkins, which is
Oh yeah.
you heard of them? Yeah. So this is a tower speaker normally, but now they make it into the wall, the speaker. And the sound is out of this world. I mean, I will show it to you so you can be your
I was like, are we gonna hear it?
Yeah. So this is a Sonos bass speaker. So I'll show you. Yeah.
That's sick.
Yeah. So you can go, look how beautiful this dims. It's such a classy dim with no glare.
Wow.
So good. Thanks, Ryan. Like, happy. You look nice.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
So there's a couple of ways we were talking about sound proofing and stuff like that.
Yeah.
These are,
I was gonna ask about this stuff.
yeah, so these are decorative. These absorb,
Okay.
these reflect. This is a 105 inch screen. So this is not programmed yet, so I'm just gonna give you a peek. Like I said, you're the first person to come here.
Okay.
This is from that same company, Leon.
I was right.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't think there was something behind there. That's so cool.
Yeah.
You would never tell.
I know, right? These are magnetic.
What?
Yeah, and they go on a channel. So we have them in the ceiling up here. You can see them up here.
Yep.
So the beauty of this is, where would you use this? You would use this from the kitchen all the way to the family room per se. And you can highlight different things with different accessories along the way.
I like the turn. I like the.
I know. Yeah, that is,
It's not like a sharp curve. It's like it's curved, so it's
Yeah.
not a sharp angle.
yep. They,
So cool.
yeah, definitely, there's a reason we have a little spot right here. But that curve is energized. So you can put something on the curve.
So cool.
They have accessories that can go on the curve.
Thank you so much.
Thank
This
you,
has been
man.
incredible.
I appreciate the
Thank you,
opportunity.
Alexa. I really
All right,
appreciate
thank you.
it. Well, that was a lot. Clearly, there's a lot of tech out there. It's just getting better and better. The guys here at SDI do an incredible job. There's obviously a huge range from a price standpoint, but what are we putting in our projects right now? At a minimum, like they said, we're definitely doing in-wall or in-ceiling speakers, Nest thermostats or smart thermostats, Alexa controlled devices. I don't think Josh is usually within our budget. I try to push the budget, but Ray always just yells at me and says I'm blowing the budget. So definitely putting in those brilliant devices. These days, they're all Alexa enabled. They all hook into Wi-Fi. You can control Sonos, Nest Cam, or doorbell, lighting, etc. You know, I'm a nerd. I love playing around with this type of stuff. If you aren't familiar with any of this stuff, I strongly recommend hiring a company like SDI, whose primary focus is smart home technology, audio, lighting, shades, all of the above. It's also a good referral to pass along to potential buyers as well from your project. So if you're building a home, you don't necessarily have to spend the money to put all of this technology in. Anyway, I need to get out of here. It's dark out. My wife is probably asking where the hell I am. So I'm going to head out, but appreciate everyone listening in, rating, subscribing, hitting that bell notification, and we will catch you on the next one. Peace.